Is your Land Rover Discovery 4 alarm going off randomly? The most common culprits are faulty door latches and the bonnet switch. Door latches fail due to water damage and wear, while bonnet switches can be triggered by a loose hood, especially after off-road driving. Start by inspecting these components for corrosion or damage. If you suspect a faulty latch or switch, you'll want to move on to testing these components to ensure they are the cause of your alarm issues. You can test for corrosion, broken pieces, or any physical abnormalities that may cause the alarm to go off randomly. Once you've identified the faulty part, replacement is often necessary. Replacement latch kits are available from various suppliers. For the bonnet switch, ensure proper alignment after replacement. After replacing the faulty component, a system reset is crucial. Try disconnecting the battery for 10 to 15 minutes or using a diagnostic tool to clear error codes like C1A02. Diagnostic tools can read and clear OBD2 trouble codes that may be causing the alarm to trigger. If problems persist, consider consulting a mechanic for ECU reprogramming. ECU reprogramming involves specific steps to update the vehicle's control unit software. Proactive maintenance, like lubricating door latches, can prevent future issues.